Maxwell, sihloko sengoma ke sithi This Women's Work idlala ku Beat Town Breakfast ku 104.1 The Pumping Beat of Vegas. Lami libitwa ngiPrince Valley. Le ngoma lengidlala ngoba nalumlu umsikati la line nami. Maye uyasebenza kasebenzi ke edwana ke usebenzisana nelisimba labo ke so sikhuluma ngemsebenzi wabo leba wenda ku lo muhle lana. Mina ngifuna kumbita ngalomsikati. Angikwambikele la ku Beat Town Breakfast kunjani?
Sawubona Prince Valley and your listeners ninjani?
No, siyaphila thina la uvela kulisimba le group lekuthiwa yilaba sikati that's why ngubite ngalomsikati.
Oh, siyabonga phela vele singabasikati akithi.
Uyi-curator lapha before siyokhuluma ngalo uyi-curator lomsebenzi wakho ngikhuluma nabani wakabantu vela kum?
Okay, ukhuluma noSamkela no Republic of South Africa wakwaStamper. Ngihlala lana eKapsewop eMpumalanga.
Ulicembu le labasikati lele ngithe sitokhuluma ngayo kuvetela mlaleli isithombe mangithi uyi-curator mhlambe yini umsebenzi wakho before siyokhuluma ngale exhibition?
Oh, okay. I-curator phela ngumuntu lo osebenza nama-spaces ne. I'm a visual artist.
Yeah, okay.
So njebe ndi-visual artist ke I studied i-visual art and so mina i-interest yami is to transform spaces.
Yeah.
To get into a space and to make it mine, and also ke I love collaborating. So and in collaborating with labanye abasikati.
Yeah.
So what I do ke ngoku is to take the artwork of these people, these talented artists, put it together in a particular space and then sends something out of nothing. Yeah. So ukhulukadi is that I work with these spaces in Dao and how to make those spaces look beautiful using art as a tool.
Yeah, and lokho nyalo ngwethu ke space samsukela mhla ka 30 May kuya ku 19 June ngilesto ukhuluma ngabo uvete nokuthi ke uyi visual artist la ne visual art group le exhibition yalo sikhuluma ngela basikati ke la ilabasikati kunomuntu lo ngana idea mhlambe ngayo la locala kuva lamsakatweni sikhuluma ngani?
Look, Labasikati, well, the exhibition is called Labasikati, This Woman's Work.
Yes.
Lomsebenzi wabafati. This name, Labasikati, ikamuke nomngani wami ne-colleague yami engisebenza nayo la. Kudala, angithi mina bengihlala la eNasport, ngafika eNasport 2006, stayed for 10 years, and then 2016 I went back to the Eastern Cape to pursue my degree in fine art, as a mature student. So lo mngani wami uMargaret Phiri ne uNontokozo Phiri bebesebenza la eMpumalanga Performing Arts Laboratory. Nabo Mncedisi Shabangu, nabo Sifiso Hlatshwayo, nabo Blondie, la Anderson Street. Oh, it was a beautiful era in our time. The early 2000s. Nami ufika kwami eMpumalanga, the place embraced me. So uMargaret uhlala eMaZulu yena, ehlale sisho ukuthi hayi man Sam, soke khuluma ngalabasikati. So namos in my language, Xhosa, labasikati means abafazi, these women, directly translated to as these women. So she came up with this name and I was fascinated because I love everything Swati. This is home Kim. So then this name persisted. Megs, I call her Megs. She would travel to Germany. Doing theater direction and doing community. We work with communities, Getina. We work within the community. So what she would do is this name kept coming up. We kept in touch. Every time we spoke, we saw each other until in 2020, just before COVID, she started the group of women. She got together. She did it actively. So she got this group of women together. They took over her mother's garden. They planted things and she called the group Labasikati. And then she took the group, she came with some of her colleagues and they came to my art gallery back home in the Eastern Cape. And we did the garden there. It was beautiful. So we vele labasikati. And then I was like, but Mags, this name should expand. It can't just die. We can't just be one thing. We are multi-talented. Jonga, in as much as we're doing visual art in an art gallery, I also am a performance artist. So Mags is directing me. She's directing the entire, while I'm curating the space, I'm looking at which artist has what, sizoyibeka njani laphayana. Yena Mags, she comes in at okay, move this way, a direct. So we're working in collaboration in that way. So that name, this is a name that has been in existence Butwam, for almost 20 years. For as long as Margaret and I have known each other for more than 20 years. So this was part of the homecoming. I had this idea for Uba. We even opened a Facebook page a long time ago to say, but one day we will do this thing, Labasikati, with other women from other provinces even, because now most of them are here from Mpumalanga. The others are from the Eastern Cape, and then others are from Limpopo. So we're looking at 3 provinces. So it's a very rich tapestry of work that is really wonderful, and it includes many different aspects of art. So Labasikati ke bhuti usuka lapho, and izohlala sithi thina masikhuluma amongst ourselves and sithi we want this institution to live forever. We want to be an institution. We want to create a livelihood for artists, because kumadima for our artists to make a living. So we want this. We want to work kuyo sisina lama different skills, because oh my gosh, the skills that are with we, I think by 17 in total.
Yeah.
There's 17 of us in total, and this year we are saying Yabona Manje, it's 2026. We are also thinking, when we make this work and we perform and we do our work and we curate and we direct, what we are thinking about in our minds is also the 1956 Women's March, the 9th of August. That was 70 years ago. We are saying, Ubana, if those women did it, why can't we do it? So we were also working on that premise, Ukuti, Lababa Sikati, that is what they did 70 years ago. So Tina, why can't we do the same? We want something that's going to last. We want to create any ukubani institutions zabelungu eziningi ziyalasta. So nathi we're hoping and we're aiming, and we are going to make sure ukuthi this is an institution that lasts. We want to do trainings. We already do them. We've been doing them. But now we want to make it bigger, and we want to be intentional. Ukuthi Labasikati are doing this, and they are doing it together, because there's also a saying, Eti, alone you go fast, but together we go far.
Yes. Yeah. So na uvete ukuthi benendatu ke gallery yakho, uveta ukuthi neltalent ni 17, ngifuna sikhulume nyalo ngeMbombela Art Gallery kusukela mhla ka30 kutofika nyalo mhla ka13. Kwendekani nendani lapha?
Okay.
Yeah.
So we had the opening reception on the 30th of May, Aniti.
Yes.
And then iyaphela next Friday, then 19, because we have to make way for the annual schools exhibition from the Department of Education.
Yeah.
So we are only up for 3 weeks, 21 days. But ideally, next time Sienda, and we are going to do it, we would have liked to do it for longer, even 2 months, so that we can invite schools and everything. So what's happening in Mbombela Art Gallery? In Mbombela Art Gallery, unfortunately, it didn't have a curator, so we got into the space. So what is happening is that we're going to have a closing reception. So to make allowance for abantu abasesikolweni, because the art sometimes is very elitist. More especially visual art, abantu labaningi abakhona ukufikelela kuyo. Ikude even nale ndawo isegceni. Yabo ilaphaya eFan Riebeeck Hall. I don't know if people know the swimming pool yala eNelspruit with the tennis court and the squash club.
Yeah.
You know, in Drysdale Street, it's Mbombela Art Gallery. It's Van Riebeeck Hall. It's a beautiful space. So what we're doing is that we've put the artwork of these women, we've put their artwork up, we've curated that space, so each and every woman has their own space. And then what's going to happen on the Fridays, we have 2 programs. One is going to start at 2 o'clock. From 2 o'clock, people are going to come, and then we have a walkabout where we talk about the work, and we have a performance. It was so beautiful on the 30th. We didn't even have money because we're doing this out of funding, but people came. We were so grateful. We were so happy. Abantu baza, I'm talking about black people, white people. We did it. And the artists were like, you know what, Sam, let's do it, my sister.
Yeah.
So CND, we did it. So now this Friday, Sauyenza. And then we also had a call. We said to people, look, also we have a second program.
Yeah.
Mhlambe yona izokala ngo5 yabo. For later on, we're going to have a fire outside. We're going to have music. We're still calling, like, I hate you, we're in constant fundraising.
Yeah.
We don't wait for funding, Tina. We don't, you know, we don't. We were rejected so many times, but we're like, you know what? The show goes on. If you want to come either for the afternoon program or the evening program, you just come. So there's these beautiful kids. My assistant curator is Litabo Mashiro. She's from Graskop. Very lovely young woman. She's the one who's been doing the posters, and she's no surprise who's doing fashion. They are at the Val University of Technology, so they also have to come all the way. So guys, we're also saying, Ngubana, if there's anyone who's listening and who would like to partner with us and say, mina samge, we've got 50 rand we can give you. We want all the artists to come back on the 19th, because only about 8 of them could have, 3 of us live in Kapsewop. Yabo. Then another one, abanye bayakwazi uzizela, but most of us, we can't. There's 3 from the Eastern Cape and 2 from Limpopo. The one who's in Limpopo, Umashutu Mfomande, she's she has Tsonga wines. She's got also, her other home is in Bushbuck Ridge, so she's the daughter of the soil. We've got Nyelechi Maluleke, who makes beautiful jewelry. We've got Umamusinga. So we've got all those people from different walks of life. So our work is also multimedia. We've got photography, we've got printmaking, we've got textile, we've got text, which is writing, poetry. Our director Mags is also a poet, so she also has we've done a nice concept. Somebody gifted us with an old overhead projector, 18.
Yeah.
We're gonna be showing our poetry from there, and we want to make this a thing. A thing that happens every day, because abantwana, do you know how shocked we will be when we discover? I'm sure there are people listening, and there are kids who are listening, even adults who are saying, Mara can do all those things.
Yeah, ngilapho la bengifuna ngena khona ke ude kahle. So mangabe kunalo umuntu lo lalele loyo lofuna ukuthi lapha TikTok ofuna kubukela, semangabe kunalo umuntu lo artist lelifuna kunjoyina next time or kune sponsor bananzela ku.
Our Facebook page is also called This Women's Work. There's also my Facebook page, which is Samkela Yolande Stamper. But then my number, which is also a WhatsApp, very important. Please keep this number. You can call me, you can WhatsApp me anytime, ask me questions, I will answer. It's 076 557 1824.
Yeah,
yeah,
you can.
Okay, it's 076 557 1824. That is my number. It's also a WhatsApp number. And we also got from the WhatsApp, then I can give you emails, because right now it's going to be like, so you can WhatsApp me, guys. We want this to be a movement, Betuna. Let it be a movie. As our country is so beautiful. Our province in Mpumalanga is so beautiful, so much.
Siyabonga nje ukuthi ma-artist enhlangene nabiye na United Together malanga manyenti kakhulu, so lokuyiwa until mhla ka-19, so sibonga wonke lo msebenzi lendako.
19 guys, come. Nizeni Prince wethu.
Nalala besikade, so sibongile ukuthi ube nathi la msakalweni.
Thank you so much. Ngiyabonga kubalaleli bakho Betuna. Have a beautiful Saturday.